Hi everyone, how is it going? Guess what? I am, yes, on a beautiful trip with my friends. Let me introduce them to you. Her name is Laura and she's 8 years old. His name is Tom and he's 7 years old. And finally, she is Sarah and she's 6 years old. We've been getting ready for this trip to the mountains and we just need to know if we've got everything we need. Oh, here's the first question. Have you got pajamas? Yes, of course, I have. I have got pajamas and here they are. Ah, aren't they cute? Yes? Let's check on my friends. Look, Tom has got pajamas. Yes. He has got funny pajamas with some monsters. Beautiful. And Laura and Sarah have got pajamas. Their pajamas are nice with rainbows and stars. Super! Let's see, one more question. Have you got mountain shoes? Oh yes. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. I have got mountain shoes. And Laura has got mountain shoes. Tom has got mountain shoes. And Sarah has got them too. We all have mountain shoes. We need to walk in the mountain. Yes. What else? One more question. Oh, wait. This question is just for Sam, not for us, girls. The question says, has he got a bottle of water? And see the difference. As we are using the personal pronoun he, we must change the verb have into has. We cannot say have he got. We need to say has he got a bottle of water. And guess what? Yes, he has. Yes, he has. He has got a bottle of water. Great! And now here we have one more question. Has she got a warm sweater? And this question is just for Sarah. Can you see? We have again she, the personal pronoun, so we know it's a girl. And we cannot use the verb have like that. We need to change it into has. Has she got a warm sweater? Come on, Sarah, show us your bag. Oh, she hasn't. She hasn't any sweater, but don't worry, you can get cold, but let me lend you one. I have 2 sweaters. Great. And one more question. Have they got snacks for the hike? Oh, have they got snacks? The question is for them, not for me, because it has the personal pronoun they. Have they got snacks for the hike? And the truth is, I haven't got any snacks, so I really need to rely on them. Let's open the bags and yes, they've got snacks for the hike. Sam has got peanut bars and the girls have got lots of fruits. Nice! I think we are definitely ready to complete our beautiful hike.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello children, let's keep learning how to use the verb have got. Remember, have got means possession. I have got a pen. I have got a blue marker. I have got some stickers. I have got, what else? Look, I have got sunglasses, okay? Yes? So, means possession. Now let's go and see. Choose the correct verb for each question and cut and paste the images from the next page. Well done! Okay, so here we have, I was looking for the stickers. Here we have the stickers, and that means we need as well some scissors, okay? We need some scissors and some glue to put the sticker on the right place. But let's first go and read the sentence, okay? The sentence is, have you got pajamas or has you got? Have is for I, for you, for we, and for they, okay? And has is for she, he, and it, okay? So now let's go, and now you know it. Have you got or has you got? Have you got? I'm going to write H, A, B, and E, okay? Have you got? This time I'll go for beautiful purple, and I will trace the outside part, okay? Have you got? Have you got pajamas? Look, where are the pajamas? Here. So let's cut the pajamas. Let's cut the pajamas. Chip, chip, cut the pajamas, cut the pajamas. We cut the pajamas. And we put the pajamas in here, okay? See that ideally, if you want, you can really cut it like nicely. So you practice the cutting skills. Like this, well done. Okay, like this, can you see? And you just put it here. All right, now let's go for the next one. Have she got bottle of water, a bottle of water, or has she got a bottle of water? Has she, and look here we need A. Has she, has she got a bottle of water? And again with this beautiful purple. Great. Has she got a bottle of water? And yes, she has, because here it is. So let's cut. Let me just get a smaller piece of paper so I can cut it better. And now I put it here. Well done. Great. Now let's go for the next one. I already have here the pronoun he, okay, she. Has she, again with he is has. Has she, has she, has he got a warm sweater? Look, the warm sweater here. So yes, let's take the sweater. All right, and put it here. So here it is, the sweater. And then, with they is have or has? Have, okay? So have they got mountain shoes? Yes, we have them here. Okay, we have them here. So let's go and get these beautiful mountain shoes or mountain boots. Both are fine, and we put them here. And again with the purple marker, oops, sorry, the pajama just left. The marker, let's trace the outside part. Right. Have they got mountain shoes? Yes, they have. Okay. Well done, guys. Good job.